welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. Hey, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm glad to be back doing a different video now. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing two Mcgrath products. It's going to be an eyeshadow palette, which is called the Golden Opulence. And I'm going to be reviewing little mini lipsticks, and this one is called the Mini Matte Trans Lipstick Trio. Yes, I'll be reviewing those two products. So if that interests you, then stick around. All right, let's get started with this video. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette, I happen to get both of the products on a sale. Mcgrath's products are, in my opinion, kind of pricey. So I was lucky enough to get them on sale. They were 40% off. So this palette here is called the Mothership Subline Golden Opulence eyeshadow palette. And this one here itself retails for $65. But with the sale, I was able to get it for $37. That's a bargain. Yeah. And look how beautiful that is. It's so elegant. It's so vibrant. Golden letters, and these labels are here in gold. It's got a label on the back too with the ingredients. This is a very beautiful palette, and it's got this little like little rubber band to kind of hold the palette closed, and it's magnetic, so it does have a magnet here. Closes with this. Look how pretty that is. It does come with a mirror as well. So these are the eyeshadows. I'll take off the film so you guys can get a really good look on the eyeshadows. Aren't they pretty? They're gorgeous. Oh, they're beautiful. So yeah. And when I ordered these products, the shipping wasn't so bad. Shipping time, it was like 5 business days. So it wasn't that bad, especially with what's going on now, the pandemic, COVID-19. So it wasn't that bad. All right, so the lipsticks, I bought the Mini Matte Trans Lipstick Trio. And these, actually this one here, this one didn't put any, didn't come with a sales discounted price. This is actually $25, and that's what I paid for, $25. And these are really cute. They come with some sequins in there, which is really cute. I like the neon pastel color of the packaging, very cute. So let's open up these 3 lipsticks. I definitely do like the packaging. It's really cute. I like the colors on the packaging of these lipsticks. Look how cute that is. They're so pretty. And they, you know, they have lips. How cute is that? Yeah, very, very cute. All right, so let's look at this blue one. This blue one here, it's called Guinevere. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's sort of like a brown, matte brown. Maybe it's got a little bit of a brick color to it, reddish. Very pretty. So I'll give you guys a swatch here. It's really nice. And let's look at this pink one. This is also like this one is lighter than that other one. This one looks more like a brick orangey. It's got more orange for sure. Let's do a swatch on that one. has more sort of more orange, but like a dark orange. It's not as a deep red like the other one. And this one is called Fever Dream. Yeah. And this last one, it's got the purple. This one is called Elson. This one also looks like a brownish reddish. That's that bottom one. It's pretty. They all have some type of red, but I mean, definitely in different tones. Very nice. All right, so I'll give you guys some swatches on the eyeshadow palette. All right, so I have my eyes prepped. Let's start with the look. So the colors I'll be using is this one here on the outer corner. This one is transition color. This one on the lid. This one on the inner corner. And possibly this maybe in the crease line. back with the completed look. Okay, so my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadows themselves are beautiful in the sense that they performed very well. When you put them on, you get great pigment payoff and definitely blend in very nicely with each other. And that's what you want. You want a palette that's going to show its true color. You want them to blend in very nicely, that they stand out in vibrancy, and these eyeshadows do that. So they're very nice. I like them. As far as the lipstick, I did like it. It goes on light, like a light cream, but it definitely packs in a punch with the color, which is really nice. And I really do think that they came out really pigmented. And there's no scent to the lipstick either, so I like that too as well. So yeah, I'm liking how both of the products performed, and I will definitely be buying more of her products for sure. I know they're kind of pricey, so keep an eye out for sales, and who knows, you might like them like I'm liking them now. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I love doing beauty reviews like this where I give you guys insight to the product, show you some swatches, do a makeup look, and then let you know my final thoughts based on the makeup look. And definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. So thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun doing this review, and I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Thank you. Bye.